up? So today, say hello, Squishmallow. Today is Monday. It is February the 28th, right? 28th, I'm pretty sure it's the 28th. Yeah, it's the 28th. But today is 2 days. Technically, I guess, yeah, 2 days before I leave for Go Wild, and I am trying to pack. It's not going very well, but I'm trying to pack. We ended up going to the stores. We went to the mall because I needed a wallet. We went to make a return at Kohl's, and then we went to Walmart because I needed to buy some last minute toiletries. And now my foot hurts. My foot hurts so bad. It literally feels like I probably sprained something, but maybe it's just like a strain of some sort. I'm just trying not to worry too much about it. Probably gonna take some ibuprofen here in a little bit just to make sure that if there is some sort of swelling that can go down and the pain can start going away. But I'm trying to pack. I have all of my stuff, I would say majority of my stuff, up on this is my guest room in the guest bed, just so I can start putting things in a suitcase. And I wanted to show you all how I'm gonna do that. So let me turn this around so you can see kind of what I have going on. I'm sorry for my appearance, but I'm just so tired and I'm trying to get everything done, but we'll see how that goes because it's gonna be a struggle, and I'll show you all why. So here is what I have going on. So these are the t-shirts that I am most likely gonna take. My socks, at least some of them, I just got these at Walmart. So cute. I love Winnie the Pooh. So those are my socks. I'm taking plenty of extra t-shirts just in case, because you can never have too many. But what I am taking, what I'm planning on wearing is already in here. This is the other thing that I bought at Walmart. I have my shoes. These are my sandals, and then another pair of sandals, although I think it's going to be too cold, but I'm still going to take tennis shoes. But what I'm taking is mainly in here. So at least the outfits. On Wednesday when I land there, I am planning on wearing this right here, which is just a t-shirt. It's a Mickey Rams t-shirt. The LA Rams won the Super Bowl this year, so I want to wear that just because it's Mickey, Rams. This is Rams also, but this is Star Wars, but I think this would just be a lot cuter because it's Mickey with some leggings. I don't know which ones, but some leggings. I have at least 4 pairs of black leggings right there to pick from. But in here I have a pair of jeans because I want to take a pair of jeans just in case. I am taking a pair of black jeans and just a really cute, I'm pretty sure I showed this to you all. This is just a really, really cute leopard top. I do wear a size 2 3X, so this is my size, but it's I guess you can say a light peplum style because it's tight, snug right here with the elastic part of it, and this just goes out. So that's really cute, and has really cute kind of I wouldn't say bubble sleeves because it is 3/4, but it's so cute and it fits really well. So I'm taking that. And this right here is a dress. It's a longer dress and it fits really well, so I'm taking that. The shirt I'm planning on wearing on Thursday, which is just check-in, but still, I want to wear this on Thursday just because I figured it'd be cute. The dress on Friday, if not vice versa. I'm taking both just to see which one I feel more comfortable in on what day. And then this is a dress that I am planning on wearing on Saturday. So that is... It's a little dressier, but I honestly feel a lot more comfortable in dresses than what I do in jeans and a t-shirt. So I'm taking this just to play it safe. And then on Saturday night, they're doing the Pajama. So if you're not aware, Go Wild has Pajama every single year. It's just a dance party in your pajamas, and it's tons of fun, at least from what I've heard of. This is my first time going to Go Wild, so we'll see. I don't know how it'll be, but that's what I'm planning on wearing. These are just pajama pants. So I kind of decided these with maybe that or that, the pajama pants with this. Although it doesn't go perfectly, I feel like it still looks kind of cute. Or I have this set right here, which I feel kind of self-conscious in because it fits a little tighter than what I would like for it to fit, but It's still cute and it fits okay. I think it's just me being self-conscious. But there is that one, the pajamas. And then I have this right here. Sorry, I'm walking a little slow because my foot hurts. I'm like trying not to fall. I'm planning on wearing, I don't know. So basically, I feel like whatever shirt I don't wear, if I don't end up wearing these, I'm going to wear this to Disney on Sunday. I'm leaning towards this. So I may just end up wearing this. Maybe I can wear this top with these bottoms, which are like heart bottoms, and I feel like that'll look cute. So I actually may end up doing that. That's actually perfect. And then this with like just a pair of leggings for Sunday. That's my plan. But I'm still taking like extra shirts. This is just like a regular Disney Winnie the Pooh shirt. This is another Winnie the Pooh shirt. And then I'm taking this sweater because you just never know. And these are sweatpants that I can sleep in, and I still have to grab my pajamas. And then I'm planning on traveling back in this one. At least that's where I'm at. But yeah, I'm definitely overpacking, but I feel like you just gotta be a little safer than sorry. Now, one thing that I am doing is packing a suitcase in a suitcase, at least trying to, because they say you come back with a lot of stuff, but this is my plan, is to fit everything in here and then fill up the outside with other stuff. I still have to pack that stuff, which is like that up there is my roommate gift, and then this right here is my my table mate gifts and just gifts that I'm gonna have to pass out. Like those are little cards that I made that I'm gonna give out to people, and yeah, I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up, and hopefully it all fits. I'll update you all. You guys, I had to end up putting on this t-shirt on because I was sweating, but I did it. I somehow did it. Let me show you all. Okay, so this is what I have going on. So far I have all of my clothes in here that I showed you all, along with some snacks here. No, it's just my clothes. I added the bags that I need for gifts. I added majority of the gifts and table mate gifts in here. These are cups that I'm giving away to some friends. These are all, majority of my toiletries. I just need to add my shampoo because I'm going to use it the morning of, so that's there. I just have to pack this little squishmallow in there. But I figured I'd do that at the end because it's a squishmallow, so it doesn't need to really like be, you know, somewhere that needs to fit in because it just squishes. I'm taking this backpack. It's a Jungle Book Loungefly backpack, but I'm going to take this on the plane with me. So in here I just have a couple of snacks, and I have an extra pair of leggings because you just never know. And other than that, I just have to pack like my underwear and bras, which shouldn't take too much space. They're just going to go in there, and my makeup. So I just got to pack my makeup and these things. Usually my makeup fits in here, but just to be safe, I brought all of these bags out. And these are some gifts that I'm giving away to friends, and my jewelry, and that's basically it. But I'm done. I did it. I'm so happy. Only thing is, again, I have to figure out my shoe situation, because I don't know if I'm going to take another pair of shoes. I'm taking these sandals, but I saw the weather, and the weather is supposed to be kind of janky, so I'm a little anxious about that. I figured I would wait to like last minute to see if I needed to pack another pair of shoes. I have a pair of Adidas NMDs, and I figured that should be enough, and that's what I'm taking on. Other than that, it's like let me show y'all, like my chargers and stuff that's, oh, my leg hurts so bad. I hope this pain goes away. My house is a disaster. But it's like these things that I need to pack. This is like just my extra battery packs. I have another one that I'm taking with me. It's not all this that I'm taking, it's just like the battery packs mainly, and the extra charger that's in here. And then I have to pick out the makeup that I need to wear. I figured tomorrow I can like clean my brushes and so on. I think I'm only going to take one of these palettes, but you know, just gotta over prepare. Look at how cute my planner turned out, you guys. I feel like, let me turn on this light. That was intense. How cute is that? I'm so excited. But anyways, that's all I'm gonna do for today. It was just packing, and I wanted to, let me turn this around. I just wanted to bring you all along for that. There's not much else that I need to do other than, like, again, just pack my underwear, just like necessities, and then I'll be done. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.